use these. They're Perilla leaves. There's so many. I mean, look, I have so many. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to next matchup. Do you like Perilla leaves? These are Perilla leaves. Today I'm making 깻잎김치. Alright, let's begin. This is really easy. It's many. This is a lot of Perilla leaves. They're actually really delicious by themselves. Let's eat. These are good enough that you can eat them straight. So let's try that first. I'll roll it up. Easy. Perilla leaves have a very distinctive flavor that goes very well with spiciness. So spice plus the perilla is a good combination. But best thing to use this for is wrapping up rice. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a very quick one, making Perilla Leaf kimchi. Super simple, easy, anyone can do it. So try it out if you can get your hands on some Perilla leaves. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day, cook well, and 안녕히 계세요. Till next time.